Good morning, guys. It's almost 11 a.m. I just took shower and I said in yesterday's vlog, if you saw, that I will never, stay awake and like I will sleep and do my journal. But last night again, I was scrolling and slept. But yeah, the good thing is that even though I slept late, I did my sleeping yoga before that, which was helpful. But yeah, I woke up. I mean, I didn't start my morning the best way that I could. But yeah, it's a lesson anyway. I'm just gonna dress up now. But before that, I'm gonna repeat my affirmation. I already say these affirmation three times in the morning, when I after I brush, or either before I shower. So I am a goddess and I have goddesses powers in me. I'm a goddess and I have goddesses confidence in me. I'm a goddess. I have goddesses style. I'm a goddess and I have goddesses magic in me. I'm a goddess and I making money like a goddess. I'm a goddess. I have all of my rent and bills always so joyfully and effortlessly paid in advance. I'm a goddess and I always have time, energy, money, and resources to make the choices that are in my highest good, highest joy, highest success, highest peace. I'm a goddess and I have full support from all the goddesses existing in this universe. I'm a goddess and I am walking like a goddess, talking like a goddess, sleeping like a goddess, making choices like a goddess, moving in this world like a goddess, living this life as a goddess. I'm a goddess, and people are joyfully obsessed with pouring their time, their energy, their love, their heart, their money, their faith into me over and over again. I am a goddess, and people are joyfully hiring me on repeat to channel magic paintings for them and also for my magic paintings. I'm a goddess, and people are joyfully hiring me on repeat to guide them psychically, spiritually, and in their life's journey to mentor them. I'm a goddess, and people are joyfully paying any big amount just to be in my energy, and they are doing it on repeat. You guys, I'm gonna share something which will involve poop. So if you don't want to listen, you better skip right now. So I was, dressing up and I was in front of the mirror and I thought I'm about to fart. And I did. And then poop came along with it, dripping down my legs. And I was like, what? This is so disgusting. Thank God I was home. Yeah, thank God I was home. Anyway, this is. Wait, let me show you what I'm wearing. Let me show you. Wow! Yay! At least my outfit look good. I want a healthy gut. I don't want accidents like this to happen. Okay, really, I want a healthier gut, and I'm gonna do everything to, yeah. Anyway, okay, I have also my oatmeal ready, and I'm gonna eat it, enjoy it. Super, 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 super grateful for it, for the dates, for the cinnamon, for the cardamom powder, for the dates itself, for the oats, for the bananas, and for the cooking gas, for the bowl to eat it into. Super, super, super grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, God. And coconut oil also, cold pressed coconut oil. So I'm gonna enjoy it. If you want to continue to support my work, if my videos have been helping you, entertaining you, guiding you, you can also donate for my fruits, vegetables, rent, etc., etc. You guys, having this mindset is really essential, that if God has put me in certain situation, it is for my highest good. It is definitely, there is something that I could do to be my highest in my highest health, in my highest success through this situation, within this situation. Whether it's like, okay, I don't feel financially stable, I'm in a poor relationship, I'm in a poor environment. It's through that there is something definitely you could do. You know, when you have this mindset that there is always a way, like God has put me for something positive, is like shifting your attention through unnecessary complaining and all of that. If you shift your energy towards gratitude, towards this mindset, like there is always a way, there is always something that I can do, to be my healthiest and most successful. Like within that situation, it's through that situation I can become my most healthiest, happiest, wealthiest, successful self. So for example, there are so many situations I feel like, oh my god, I need to take care of my health better. I keep complaining, oh my god, I don't have the money to go to the doctor and all of these things. And then I came across 16 hours of fasting and doing the wet pack, wherein you dip three cotton clothes, you put one here, one here, one on your stomach, and it really helps. And then I was like, okay, and then going to sleep on time, and all these things that I could do to get healthier. And so, and other things also, like when I'm going through all of these things, day to day problems, and I, through this the spiritual wisdom that I received from God, I started to make YouTube videos through that, and I'm like building a beautiful career. Girl, we gotta have a winner's mindset. It is through the adversities that the legends are born. That's the truth, Like, when the crashes were going on, economy was crashing, it is through that crashes the billionaires were born. Why? Because they were moving with that mindset that there is gold in this situation, there is definitely gold in this situation, and they were looking for it. Their mindset was that, and they found the gold, and they created histories, they made big impact. So we gotta be moving with that mindset, okay? No lack, no poverty, no like helplessness, no, because there is always a way. And when you say this prayer that God, I know there is always a way for me to be healthier, wealthier, happier. Show me the way, God. Show me, dear God. Yeah, book a one-on-one intuitive guidance session with me. Link is in my bio. You guys, there is a tree behind me, and I have my period blood over here, and I have prayed over it with the like set an intention to release the patterns, the mindsets, the habits that has kept people in my lineage, both men and women, and people in this world, the habits, the patterns, and the mindset that is keeping all of us in poor health, poor relationships, or in poverty, the patterns of lack and mindset. So I'm giving my period blood to Mother Earth, with the intention of releasing that. Done. I pour it. Goddess, your period blood is so powerful. Do not throw it in the garbage or in the toilet. Pray over it and give it to Mother Earth. Let Mother Earth remind you, like align you and reveal to you the magic of being a woman, like your true magic, okay? You have so much power, and you will come to know it when you start giving your period blood to Mother Earth. So I just went down to fill up this water bottle, because the water purifier is downstairs, and I filled this water, and I'm grateful to have the strength in my body to fill up my water bottle today. And I was cooking my lunch, chickpeas and all these things, and I'm grateful for the cooking gas that I could cook, and I'm grateful to have the eyes to be able to see everything and do everything on my own, for the healthy ears that I am able to hear everything. Yeah, really, truly. It is 3 o'clock now, and I'm about to have my lunch that God and Mother Earth and Spirit inspired, like the fairies inspired me to. I need to turn on my fan. Wait, let me turn on the fan and then talk to you. Yeah. So I'm eating this chickpea curry, and I'm so grateful that I get to put lemon and nutmeg powder and sesame seeds and the dressing of sesame seeds, tomato, and date. It is adding such a beautiful flavor, and I'm happy to have the cooking gas to cook this and all the other like things that I needed to cook. What? And I'm eating it with brown rice. I'm so grateful that I had the time to cook this meal, and God and the wisdom to cook it slowly and eat it slowly. Yeah. Yummy chickpea curry. Wow, I love it. It has chickpea, peas, green peas, carrot, and potato, and the dressing was of like cumin and ajwain seeds and sesame seeds and tomato and yummy, 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 yummy. Goddess Saraswati, Goddess Lakshmi, Goddess Kali, Ma Durga, Lord Hanumanji, Rani and I are going for a walk. Be with us, walk with us, protect us, make us enjoy this walk, make this walk very beautiful and magical for us, and bring us back home safely. You guys, I'm going for a walk now at like around 7 in the evening, and I am so upset with myself. Like, I wanted to go walk on a walk earlier, but I was like really, my overthinking mind kept me inside. But anyway, I also feel like maybe nature wanted to meet me later. You guys, it's a blessing to come out for a walk, honestly, and my prayer is that from next time nothing keeps me away from my connection with this, trees behind me. Like, yeah, it's truly beautiful. I currently have like 500 rupees in my bank account, and I was stressed. God, how will I eat? How will I pay my rent? How will I take care of my health? And all of those things, and the anxiety, family anxiety, all kind of anxieties were trying to hijack my mind. But I'm glad Mother Earth called me outside. Truly. Rani, come. Woohoo! I wish I could show you my outfit in a daytime, that was such a pretty, I wore such a pretty outfit, no? Truly. Huh. God put my fears around money, instability around money to rest. Like, finish it. Make me secure. Like, so secure. I really, seeing that money in my bank account for 5 years of rent, groceries, and 5 years of, that just make me so happy. And like, yes, 5 years of that money, but also 1 or 2 or 3 or multiple running sources of income. Wow, I can then just rest and play. Ta-da! I love these walks. I love Mother Earth. I love these trees. I want to witness my body getting stronger, healthier. I am happy. The kind of food that I ate today, I ate oats first, yummy oats with dates and coconut oil and bananas. And then I had watermelon, and then I had chickpea with some rice, and then I had, what else did I had? Yeah, just before coming on a walk, I had a non-blended banana smoothie. I'll make a video how to make it. And I was so grateful, so grateful. I want to have like better gut though, like the very like mind-blowing gut that digests beautifully. Yeah, so the best part of the day is like yummy food that I had and amazing outfit that I wore. And then I get to come out for a walk. You guys, this is temple. Auntie is locking the temple, but I'm gonna pray. I told God, keep me healthy, keep me wealthy, and also like my landlady, keep her super healthy. Yeah, it's time to see some beautiful trees. Woohoo! Yay! Wow, it's time to show you the mountains. Oh my god, guys, this is beautiful. You guys, we should never let constipation exist in our gut. No, constipation is not allowed. Like seriously, constipation should not be allowed in our bodies. I swear that weird constipation not allowed. I don't know, like this, yeah, these patterns around not having enough money to go to the doctor to take care of our health and all, these are very old patterns, you know. Our ancestors, like the women and men in our lineages who came before us, they existed in fear, like not having money to go to the doctors and all. We must break out of this pattern, because no matter what the situation is, my mindset is I'm only getting healthier, wealthier and hotter, like no matter what the situation is. Like any disease, before it enters our body, it enters our mind. So like don't entertain the thoughts of poor health in your for your body. No, not allowed. I'm manifesting everybody who's a part of this video is only getting healthier, wealthier, hotter, richer, sexier. That's all. Like, yes, everybody who is a part of this video is only getting healthier, wealthier, hotter, richer. Every single being who is a part of this video is only getting healthier, wealthier, hotter, richer, sexier. You guys, these are mountains and that's moon. You guys, I am walking back home now. You will see me just, yeah, look. I'm walking back home now. It's such a beautiful, beautiful. I want to experience this life without stress. What it would be like, you know, when my body is in constant state of calm and relaxation. Yeah, I want to experience that. I want to experience what it would be like when, you know, I am around people, like the people in my life are self-loving. They are taking care of their health and all, you know, so I know they are well. What it would be like to have a deep calm, deep calm, relaxation, ease, you know, freedom, being surrounded, and that calmness in relationships, where we know that we are surrounded by people who are for us, not against us. Yeah. Yeah, so I have got a lot of things to yap about, but I gave my inner child a space to yap about. I grew up in an environment where nobody would listen to me, but I gave myself the space to yap. I started my YouTube channel, and here nobody can stop me. Nobody can say that I'm too much, because I'm not. What I was saying was that nobody can say over here that I'm too much. It is my space. It is my channel. I can yep as much as I want to. I created that space for myself. I last year I turned this channel into Jyoti's Magic TV. If you go into my community page, there you will see the post, and it was like my inner child picture that said Jyoti Magic TV, and I also captioned it as like gave my inner child the space to shine. And since then, I didn't know when I got, when I was being inspired to change the name and all of those things, when I wrote that caption, what will unfold. But what is unfolding, I know so much of it I don't know, but it's super magical. Like, it's super magical, definitely. You guys, I'm back home now, and you know what? We gotta act on our creative nudges without knowing where it is leading. We will not know when we first receive the inspiration where it is gonna lead us. And sometimes some ideas unfold over the next few years, over the next 1 year, 2 year, 6 year, 8 year, 10 year. So you take that first step, and then spirit leads you, but we will not know. And that's where what we have to trust, like, okay, this is for something good. I don't know what it is for, and I'm curious. If you can't be positive and optimistic about it, can you be curious about it? Like, I'm curious to see how this unfolds for me. I'm curious to see where God leads me through this. I am curious to see how God leads me through this, like when this financial thing, when, like, when I was like, okay, my father is like, I can't, since last November, when my mother got cancer, and my father couldn't, like, didn't wanted to pay my rent, and I was also not okay with asking. And still, like, it's an option for me to go back, either go back home or just find my own way. And I was unsure. I was really unsure, and every month there is this uncertainty that I feel, and I'm like, I'm curious to see how God provides for me now, how God leads me now, because I have been acting on all of my inspirations, and it all always work out, and it's all always gonna work out. It just in that, when that anxiety comes up, we just gotta reaffirm, like, I don't know how, but I know God's got me. I don't know how, but I know God's guiding me. I don't know how, but I know God's leading me. Yeah. Also, my pink shoes, they are tearing apart. You can see, over here. And I want like new shoes now, new pink shoes. And let's see how God brings it for me. Anyway, it was my mommy's department. My shoes, my clothes are my mommy's department, and my rent and my food also is my mommy's department, who is in heaven now. She is looking after all of this. Yeah. It's time to feed this hungry child behind me, who's just like, where is my food? Where is my food? You guys, I have soaked my oats for tomorrow. I have soaked brown rice for tomorrow. And I have also soaked some chickpeas in this pressure cooker. But I can't show you because it's already closed. Yeah, protein is necessary. I want to eat healthy food every day and have like calming, enjoyable eating experience every day. Another intention that I'm holding for tomorrow is that I would be in the hunt of gratitude, in the hunt of, prosperity, generosity, in the hunt for richness, instead of constantly focused on and looking for stress, anxiety, fear, worry everywhere. I'm gonna be looking for generosity. For, look at me in the mirror behind. I'm gonna be looking for generosity, for prosperity, for richness, for money, for um, good energy. Yeah. You guys, I just changed into my, night clothes. And what a gift to have like clean, washed clothes that I can wear before sleeping, and that I have a option to change, and sleep in different clothes. Truly. And look at my candle. Wow, so grateful that I could buy the candles other day. Truly. I'm just, gonna journal now for some time. You guys, so I kept writing. I'm effortlessly and joyfully making 20 lakh rupees in my business right now, and I just kept writing this, and it's like 3:15 a.m. I did like in between use my mobile phone and scroll, but yeah, I have to go to sleep ASAP right now. I'm gonna do my sleep yoga. There are few yoga asanas to be done before sleeping on my bed itself. Simple, but in the last 3 days, I've been saying I'm gonna sleep on time, and get mornings. And anyway, it's okay. It happened only for the good reason. Even if I got delayed in sleeping, I. By the way, you guys, I used to be the person who would watch porn all night, who would watch all these shitty videos all night, earlier. And now I am so happy to see this change in myself over the last few years, that all of these bad habits of watching porn, smoking, or like just indulging in gossiping, indulging in, judging other people, and all the and comparing my life to other people, it got like replaced with the positive behaviors. Like if I am awake, I'm journaling, I'm working on my mindset, I am, doing my other creative stuff. So this change is so beautiful and auspicious, and I'm just grateful that God brought this change into my life. Mother Earth brought these changes of healthy habits into my life. Yeah, and my self talk is becoming positive day after day, and I'm just so like I want to see all the positive and blessed transformations God is gonna create in my life, in my career, in my money, in my health, in my relationships. I am here for it. I want to see all the wonderful, beautiful, auspicious, magical, happy things that God creates in my life, in all areas of my life, in my health, in my career, in my money, in my relationships, in my just overall, in the quality of my life. So yeah, I'm about to, yeah, see you tomorrow.